In 1997, a sound echoed from the depths of the Pacific Ocean. A sound so loud it was heard over 5,000 kilometers away. Scientists called it the Bloop, but no one knows where it came from or what made it. Was it a natural phenomenon, or something unknown lurking in the abyss? Some believe it was the sound of an ancient sea creature, a being larger than anything we've ever known, perhaps even linked to Lovecraft's mythical Cthulhu. Official reports claim it was the sound of icebergs cracking, but no iceberg has ever produced a sound this massive. Was it nature, or a creature waiting in the dark? Some secrets of the ocean refuse to be explained.